Okay, so we're hanging out on a Sunday trying out this really cool cleaning product from DNAMiracles. Basically, it's all different kinds of cleaning products for your home for various different uses. There's nursery and playground cleaner. There's bottle and dish soap, fruit and veggie wash. These are totally simple to make. I love that they don't have a whole lot of chemicals in them. They're perfectly safe for all of your babies and little kids, and hands that go in mouths. And wait till you see how easy it is to make it. Now, I just made this one. Basically, I took out of my bundle, I took my little tube of solution and I put it in this bottle, and without opening it, you don't pierce the tube, and then you fill the bottle with water and you let it dissolve. And if you see from the bottom, literally the plastic packet of solution dissolves in the bottle. Safe, totally safe. And then you shake it and you have soap. It's so easy. So let's do the nursery and playground cleaner. In it goes. In goes some water. And it's a little hard to see because it's clear, but basically the tube sits in there and it's going to dissolve and make solution. And you have to fill this bottle all the way, which is what I'm going to do as soon as I'm done. And then voila, you have your cleaner. Takes 2 seconds. The fruit and veggie wash, it's great. You could just spray it literally on your apple and keep your kids free of wax, chemicals, and soil buildup. Keeps your produce fresh longer. The bottle and soap dish is totally safe for your baby bottles and toys. Nursery and playroom cleaner is great for changing tables, high chairs, countertops. And the spot and stain cleaner is awesome for carpets and car seats and basically anywhere you could have a baby food spit up or diaper issue. Anyway, check them out. They are DNAMiracle Home Solutions.